Today we are going to discuss about an important topic, right to education, which changed the history of Indian education system for the eternity. Let's start. What is RT? Right to Education Act ensures free and compulsory education to children. It was enacted in 2009. It was enforced as a fundamental right under Article 21A. It ensures free and compulsory primary education to all children aged 6 to 14 years. Secondly, it establishes education as a fundamental right. Third, 25% reservation is for disadvantaged section of the society. It includes SC/STs, socially deprived classes, and differently abled students. Also, a non-admitted children is admitted to an age-appropriate class. Means if he was not getting education before, then he will be admitted to a particular class based on his age. Also, the fifth point, the expenses of this scheme are met combined in a combined manner by state and center. The achievements of RT. It has led to increase in the enrollment in upper and lower primary classes. Second, it has improved the school infrastructure due to its strict policy. Also, 3.3 million students have been enrolled in the schools under 25% reservation by this act. Also, education has been made accessible all over India under this act. Limitations of RT. It only includes students aging from 6 to 14 years of age. It should be more inclusive and should be expanded from 0 to 18 years of age. The quality of education should be kept in mind rather than just statistics. Also, it should focus on the lack of teachers in our country because it further leads to reduction in the quality of education. My personal opinion. Well, we should make education free even for students but belonging to colleges, universities, etc. So many of things in our country is free, so why not education, which is the basic necessity? If our students, our children are educated properly, they enjoy while learning, it will only help our country to go even faster and develop sooner.